Module installation is influenced by site conditions, with the weighing modules for holes aligning with those of the bottom plate. Install the 4 bolts without tightening them, so as to facilitate the adjustment of the position later. Do not remove the protective gasket first, and place the tank. When there is no transition plate, the module can only be fixed with bolts, and each weighing platform of the tank can be aligned with the 4 bolt holes on the weighing module, and the bolts can be tightened first, so as to adjust the position later. When a transition plate is used, the tank can be welded and secured with it. The upper and lower transition plates are first fixed onto the module, secured with bolts, and then weighed after adjusting their position.